Alright guys, in my usual fashion, I did not record me doing any of this stuff, getting to the back or jacking it up. But, yeah, I suspected something was wrong with the fuel system because the fuel pressure kept dropping after I was made the car idle for a while. So I was like, oh yeah, it's probably the strainer, because I just did the whole 2 fuel pumps, accumulator, filter, and fuel tank strainer on that 300 CE, and it was clogged. So I just looked at this one, it was jacked, but these things were all like, I don't know where the hell they are. But yeah, this was in that. So there's a ton of rust in the tank. Right now I'm going to just, I guess, drop the tank down. I drained all the diesel out of it, which you can see there. It smells like old gas though, which is strange because I drained the gas out before I put it in there, so who knows. That could have been why the cars were running all messed up, because it has like gasoline in it. But yeah, I'm just gonna drop the tank, see what's in it, and hopefully I can still use it, because it was sitting for a few years with gas in it, I think. Yeah. All right, and the fuel tank is out now. I did have to take the rear section of the exhaust off, the heat shield that was above it, and what else did I have to take off? Yeah, this little brace that held it on. But yeah, it's out. Bunch of space. The only, it'd be cool if I had like a fuel cell and made a massive rear diffuser. But anyways, the only issue that the fuel tank gave me was this. I didn't know where it went. Then I figured it out, pulled it off, and popped out. So now I have this as a 46 millimeter, I think. Well, not think, I'm pretty sure. But this is actually available on Amazon. It's for a motorcycle fork. So let's see how the tank looks inside. All right. Probably should. Actually, I'm gonna get something to clean that off with. All right, all cleaned up. What if I could, yeah, I guess take a look at that. This is the sending unit. Oh, that looks fantastic. Let's see if I can see down inside this thing. Well, there's still a ton of fuel in it, which is weird. Whoa. Yeah, it sounds like sand's inside too. Damn. Alright, this much gas was in it when I put diesel in. Yeah, I could see why it wasn't running very well. Alright, time to drain this out and see what's inside. I gotta get some fuel tank cleaner. Wow, this sucks. Alright, back again. So that's the old tank. I ended up getting another tank. It is not like as rusty, but it still needs to get cleaned. So I put some lacquer thinner inside to get whatever was in there out. I threw some of what was in there out, and this is what was coming out. So that's clearly after the lacquer thinner evaporated. That stuff's in there. So I'm gonna drain the rust and then probably like clean it up a little and throw it on the car. The only thing, yeah, there's actually nothing that wrong. I'm gonna try and rebuild the sending unit, but this thing is just dirty compared to mine, so I gotta clean it up. And I did get a tent, fortunately, so now I could actually be working outside in the sun. So I'm very grateful for that, because I wasn't doing anything before because it was just insanely hot. And this is actually really convenient. I've never had a tent like this. You literally, it fits in a bag, and yeah, it pops up, you just pull it apart. There's other ones that have like pins, but that's not what this video is on anyways. So I'm gonna put the fuel tank back on, or do whatever process it takes to get that done. Wish me luck. Nice and hot out as usual. It's the following day again. So I'll let the acetone sit inside there and whatnot. It'll vacuum it out. It wasn't recording. Great. Anyways, I just vacuumed all that stuff out. Here's the outcome. I don't know if I should wash it out again, but whatever. No, don't hear much water at all, or see it going through, so put a heat gun in it, call it a day. Okay, it's a new day. I ended up putting the other tank on last night in the dark, so I just didn't record it or anything. I'm replacing the pump. That was the one that was in it. I don't know if it was real or not. It was making a really loud noise, and people were telling me that these pumps aren't supposed to make noise, so I just, or as much noise as it was. I have a clip in another video that I posted previously, but yeah, this pump's loud. So here's another one. I bought this one from Walbro Pumps, I think. It's not really a Walbro authorized website, but I don't say authorized website. It's not like legitimately that company's website. I think they're owned by another company called TI something. But anyways, this guy said on their website that, hey, there are knockoff units that exist, so I would hope he wouldn't sell me a knockoff unit. That one I got from Amazon, and it's loud. So I don't know how this is going to be. Hopefully it's better. I got some new line because the return line is like shitty, and already had a feed line that I had to get made by a hydraulic shop, so that's good. Anyways, yeah, wish me luck. I don't know if I'll even record doing this because I need to record it. I'll do that. Back at it. I already put some fuel in, and I'm gonna see if she starts. I primed it, but I'm pretty sure there's a lot of air in the line, so I got a 14 to I guess bleed it once it starts, if it starts. Oh yeah, and this pump is insanely quiet compared to the other one. Like, you can't even hear it. Look. So much better. I think I'm gonna just crack open all the injectors, and I don't really want to. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I gotta do it. I need to get a tripod, and a couple more cameras, cause this is kind of nuts. So there's one. diesels in there. So I might be able with this one. Alright, you guys get the cracked all of them loose. Gonna crank it a few times. Hopefully it pumps any air that's in there out. And hopefully it doesn't start, but whatever makes it happens. Which is probably gonna be like diesel flying up. Probably should put tissue in there. Let's see if she starts. God, this pump is so much quieter. Yes, I love that this pump isn't loud. So, volts. But it still does that whole, right now I'm actually moving the throttle bar like 10 or 20%, it's not doing much. Really delayed it. Gotta figure out why it's doing what it's doing. But at least the fuel system's clean now. As always, thanks for watching. It's really loud, but again, look how nice and quiet this pump is. You don't even hear it.